Hello friends, today we are in the day 1 of 30-day health transformation challenge. In this video, we are going to see about what is health, for who all this health transformation challenge is for, and how is this transformation challenge, how are these videos different from all other videos. So let's know about what is health. So I will pause for 5 seconds. You can pause this video and leave what do you think as health in the comments. Hope you all have left what you think as health in the comments. So now let's see what is the WHO or World Health Organization's definition of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity, and also leading an economically and socially productive life. That means I hope that most of you have thought that health is all about physical health, and some of you have thought about it's both about physical and mental health. But also it includes various other components like social health. Social health means how you interact with people around you, how you how you take care of your own family, take care of your own friends, how you behave with them, how you are behaving at your workplace, and all those things also matter as a part of health, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. And also they have added the second part during the recent times, and also leading an economically and socially productive life. So if you are like physically, mentally and socially healthy, and you are not going to any job or you are not contributing anything to the society in which you are living, then you are not actually healthy. It also states that you should be economically also productive and also socially you are productive. You should contribute to the society in which you are living in whatever the way you are possible. That means, and also you should earn something to contribute to the society. For example, if you do some work, you are going to earn money for yourself and also you are contributing something to the society. So if you are not productive, ultimately you are not healthy. So it may also include few other components of health in future also. For example, I would like to say about spiritual health. To say just a word about spiritual health, we may think that this body is like magnificent thing. It is a so great thing. Like for example, this eyes can see everything. Like the pixels with which it can focus is much is incomparable to whatever the cameras or whatever the things that can be artificially made. So this is like 1 second it focus like 20 meters apart. Next second it focus as close as 2 meters apart. So while we are wondering about the functions of our eyes and all those organs, suddenly during night time, while watching, while staring at a one, while admiring a piece of thing, if the current goes off and there is no light, then you understand that even though this eye is functioning in its perfect way, if you don't have light, there is no use of having this eye. In the similar way, ears also, like they are also great organ. For them to hear the sound, there should be an air medium surrounding us. If there is no air medium, then we can't hear any sounds. In a similar way, to say an example of a story, uh, a man riding a cycle was traveling in a road without any headlights. Police stopped him and asked why there is no light in the cycle. He replied that there are lights all over the street, everywhere in the street. Then why should I have a separate light in my cycle? So the policeman released the air from his tubes or tires. Uh, the man who was riding the cycle was shocked and asked the policeman, "What are you doing? Why are you doing this?" The policeman replied, "There is air in all around us, like the entire earth space, the entire atmosphere is filled with air. So then why do you need separate air in your tires?" So in the similar way, even though like we know that God is like everywhere, unless you realize within yourself, you can't actually realize the significance of it. Okay, so who all this transformation challenge is for? Who all has a body, who all has a life, who all wishes to take their health to the next level, who all are willing to learn more about health, know about health, get updated. For all those people, it will be definitely beneficial. Is it for healthy people or diseased people? It is both for healthy and diseased people. Anyone can learn greater things from this. So, how is it different from other videos? Even I have recorded other videos, I have many videos, and also even many other people are providing many other health information. So, how this health transformation challenge is going to be different means. These videos, like if someone comes to my channel, they will be seeing a lot of videos, they will be confused like how they can finish everything in a particular order, like in a short period of time in a precise way. So to give them the precise information in a short period of time, like without consuming much of their time, for them it will be very useful. And also almost all of my videos are like they have some actionable steps, they have some practical value. So these 30 videos are going to have complete practical value. So if you watch this video, you can definitely take an action after each video so that you transform your life. Otherwise there is no point in having any transformation channel like this. And also the concepts in these 30 videos, like you might not have thought of these concepts whether they contribute to health or not. You would have always thought about some food or something else, but there are also various other components which significantly plays a role, which significantly disturbs your health in the ways which you never know at all. So for that, and also like there is a difference between a gift or a prize or a trophy, prize money given by a class teacher, given by your school correspondent or a principal, whether it is given by your district collector or health minister, whether it is given by chief minister or prime minister. There is always a difference, even though the same trophy, same amount of prize money is given. In a similar way, I feel that when I say something, it is much more valuable. It is much more. I strongly believe that it is much more valuable. It has greater value than said by anyone else. So finally, what do you expect from these 30-day challenges? What is your suggestions? You can leave all those things in the comments, and also you can leave the suggestions for your routine topics, which we will also upload. So see you in day two of the transformation challenge. Until then, it's Aravind signing off.